Welcome. In this video, we will talk about the practical tips for managing your time effectively. Time is your most precious resource. A moment once gone will never return. Spend the whole money in the world to get that one moment back. You can't. Every successful person in the world manages his or her time effectively. So how can you manage your time effectively? Here are a few simple tips you can use. Tip number 1. Prioritize your activities. This is the key to time management. You need to set priorities. The 80-20 rule is extremely valuable for prioritizing your tasks. It says that 80% of your results are generated from 20% of your activities. You need to identify what is the most important task that you want to achieve that will have a positive impact on your life. Your all efforts must be directed towards achieving that task. Also, you must perform the most difficult task first. In this way, you will be working at the earliest towards achieving your most important goal. You can make a to-do list. You need to write down, say, 10 tasks that you want to achieve. Then ask yourself, what is the most important task out of these 10 that I need to achieve at the earliest? Repeat this and find the second most important task to be achieved, and so on. In this way, you will identify the 20% of activities that will generate 80% of your results. Tip number 2. Stop procrastinating. Procrastination is your biggest enemy when it comes to effective time management. Once you prioritize your to-do list, you must start working towards your most important goal with immediate effect. That habit of delaying the work and saying I will do it tomorrow, I will do it the day after yesterday, well, the tomorrow or the day after yesterday never comes. What you do now is done now. A common habit of successful people is that they don't procrastinate. Don't you want to adopt the habit of successful people? Tip number 3. Avoid distractions. It's easier to get distracted today than ever before. Social media, for instance, is arguably the biggest distraction. You just intend to go through the notifications before you realize that hours have been wasted. You must keep yourself focused on your most important tasks and continuously monitor your progress. Always ask yourself before going to sleep, how much progress did I make towards fulfilling my dreams? And make a written plan. You can always edit your plan when needed. I would love to hear back from you. So my question today is, what is your key goal in life and how do you plan to achieve it?